इट्स माय प्रिविलेज। थैंक यू सर फॉर बीइंग हियर। आई होप कि आपको प्रोग्राम बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा।
प्रोग्राम बहुत ही नाइसली कोऑर्डिनेटेड था
थैंक यू सर।
और सारे जो प्रोग्राम्स थे इसके अंदर वो बड़े आपके इंडियन कल्चर, इंडियन प्रोग्रेस, इंडियन रिपब्लिक,
यस सर।
उसके लिए जो है वो एक आई ओपनिंग थे।
ओके।
एंड दे आर वेल कनेक्टेड विद द मासेस।
Yes, sir.
और जो थीम थी सारे प्रोग्राम्स की जो अब तक मैंने देखे
यस सर।
वो सारे आपको दिल से छूते थे।
थैंक यू सर।
उसके लिए द सिलेक्शन ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स
थैंक यू।
was very well thought of।
थैंक यू सर।
और मैंने अपने उद्बोधन में भी कहा था, मैं जैसे पेड़ीवाल स्कूल के अंदर भी कई बार गया हूँ, लेकिन वहाँ कर्ण भेदी म्यूजिक और वो सारा जो है ना
यस सर।
थीम आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड दुनिया का, उससे कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाता।
ओके ओके
और अल्टीमेटली मुझे वहाँ से दूर जाना पड़ता था, इतना तेज लाउड म्यूजिक होता था।
ओके सर।
और साथ में उसका कोई थीम जो है बहुत ज्यादा आपका अपने उससे इंडियन कल्चर से और उससे थीम कनेक्ट नहीं।
सो बेसिकली हमने इंडियन कल्चर को टच किया।
हाँ, आप समझ लिए ना।
थैंक यू सर।
उसमें आप नाटक
फ्यू
भी देखिए।
वर्ड्स फॉर सर आल्सो।
हाँ
Actually, because of him, we are here and we are learning every day.
because my meeting with him, your sir is very new, latest। मैं तो एक दिन मेरे ऑफिस में आप आए थे,
Yes,
तो
sir.
we had sat together for half an hour and
Okay.
today only,
Yes, sir.
and I am seeing his personality traits only through you,
Okay.
because of the kind of admiration, the kind of applaud all the teachers and all the staffs are providing with,
Yes.
and
Principal
showing
Raj.
their respect to the director sir.
Yes.
That simply shows that he deserved it.
Actually, really, sir. He is down to earth person. Really a very down
You
to
are
earth
in a
person.
more better position to tell, because
Yes, sir.
आपने ट्रेड इनके लगाया था, लंबे समय से देख रहे हैं इसलिए।
Yes, sir. Actually. Sir, anything about?
And I convey my best compliments.
Thank you.
And best regards to all the teachers,
Thank you, sir.
all the faculties and the Bhutpur principal sahab. Well, I was also teacher for though for few months.
Okay.
All right, I am also son also a principal. My father retired as a principal in senior secondary school,
Okay.
so I know the basically all the pros and cons of being a son of a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Right?
So very hard. Very disciplined. Yes.
That's right. And and this being a son of a teacher, gives you a lot of dividends, and your success, your probability of success becomes higher.
Actually.
I tell you, whatever profession you are, I mean,
Yes,
you
sir.
may be having different professions out there in the world, but if you're a son or daughter of a teacher, probability of your being successful will be higher.
Actually, sir. Sir, any suggestions?
No, it's a good one. Keep it going. And as he met me that day,
Yes.
I gathered some information and because I'm going to make a synopsis of this
Wow.
to present a comparison between our government schools and the private schools.
Okay.
This is all. I had a talk with him. How many students? How many teachers? What is salary? What is their qualification? And how many बच्चों का रिजल्ट कैसा है?
Thank you.
10th का, 12th का? ये सारा मैंने quite good. Much higher than your private school teachers. Their qualification also good,
Actually, sir.
right? Post-retirement benefits are also there. Medical benefits are there. Even the students are getting free dresses, free school uniform, free books. No fee is there.
Yes, sir.
But still, why our results are less? That is a
Inspiration should
this
be
is
there.
a cause of concern for us.
We have the inspiration, sir. Whenever I feel monotonous, then I remember how hard sir is working.
Right.
And he remember the day also कि हमारी ट्यूसडे को क्या बात हुई थी और वेंसडे को क्या बात हुई थी,
Well, that
एक साल पहले क्या बात हुई थी,
He's a
and ma'am too.
taskmaster, and he supervises everything.
Yes, actually.
First delegate the work and then supervise it.
Actually, sir.
That is the basically key to success.
Yes.
Especially in administration.
Yes, actually.
आप काम दो, फिर काम को अगर आप पूछोगे नहीं तो उसको लगेगा
No, no.
पूछने वाला
Yes.
नहीं, मैं पूछूंगा। तो काम आप देने के बाद में देने के बाद में उसको काम किया कि नहीं किया वो पूछोगे,
वो
तभी तो काम चलेगा।
वही तो है, sir.
ये है।